What is going on, guys? It's your boy Josh here. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to make over $1,000 a day just using this app. Alright guys, if you've not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because I've had new online side hustles coming out for you guys every single day to help you guys make extra money from home. Now what I'm sharing with you guys is a time for money position. So this one takes time. So this takes effort. It doesn't happen overnight. If you're looking for more of a quicker, simpler solution to earning money, then click on the link down below and learn how I made money over $1,000 a week. But I make it passively, meaning I'm not trading time for money. And I'm putting in about 3 to 5 hours a week. So check that in the video, excuse me. And there's also a webinar in there for you guys to learn more, so we should recommend. So the site we're going to today is called ClearVoice. This is a freelancing website. They're looking for all different types of talents, so find out what suits you and what works best for you. You can see here all these big companies are using it. So there's some like Cisco, Cabela's, Institute Home Advisor Insurance. These are all big companies that are hiring freelancers like me and you to do jobs. And then they're paying ClearVoice, who then paying us, okay? So you're wondering like, how the heck do I make money? How the hell do I get out of here? And what I want to do is, what I want to go do first is go to the Talent Network button. And then from here you go over to the Join Network. Click on the Join Network button. You're going to be signed up for name, email, then you can sign up through either your Google account or your Facebook account. It takes 2 seconds. So this is my profile. As you can see, I've beefed it up a little bit. I've 100% completed it. For you guys, it will take a little while. So we're going to add in a description about ourselves. So I've put in a little bit of description, but put a picture. That's optional. But guys, remember, it has to be important. It can't look like it's a 2-minute job. You can't look like you're just in it just to earn $3. All right, they want you to be serious about this. So start putting in content, okay? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste and get free content. I'm going to show you can do this in minutes, okay? I recommend you start with at least 5 or 6 articles just to bump you up, okay? Now you certainly write these articles yourself, but I'm going to show you a way to get them done for free, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go over to the site. So you want to go over to the site. It's called PLR Content Project now. Now what PLR stands for is private label rights, meaning that all the content on here is free to use for your repurpose. Now my recommendation, guys, is that you go just to do a pre-brief read through, make sure that text, everything is correct, so that there's no spelling errors or anything like that. Sometimes you can get some poorly written stuff on PLR, but for the most part the site has pretty good content. And what you can do is over here, like my industry would be business or finance, kid related stuff. So I might go down to the business world and then look at all these different articles, right? And then I can start uploading absolutely free. This is free copyrighted material that I can use. So that I would do it if I would click on it first. So click on the button here and it's going to take me to the article now. What you can do is copy the URL, go back to your profile, in the bottom right you're going to click add content. Now all I have to do is put it in the URL, click add. It's going to start crawling and searching for that article, okay? So now it's already brought it up, the article's there for me. It's added a nice little image. Now I can now change that image. So there's a ton of free image places you can go to. One called Pixels, Unsplash, you can get free images from there. If you don't like those images, then you create one yourself. You can go to Canva, and then I would simply go to the category, right, and I would type in whatever my category is. I would find it under books, business, entrepreneurship. Then I would say primary mold. What is it? What do I do? Content type. I do articles for people. So what that means is those companies are going to see my articles and they're going to ask me to write it for them, or to provide information for them, or whatever it is, and then how I'm going to get paid. And they pay me a lot of money to do so. And the description would be, I might just take the first couple sentences, or I can simply take the whole thing, copy paste it in here, and then click update. So now look, you can see here that my published content looks how nice. Look how nice that is. Now imagine if I could go back this PLR content. I just keep doing this over and over and over. Select the link, go back, create content, add the URL, post, and then go start with. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to go back to your profile and you want to improve your profile percentage status. So I want to add some categories. If you have a personal website, you should add that in there. You should add content type. I'm just going to do it. Oh, this is going to say just add in so you guys can see. What I mean is the more tags you put in, the more content roles, the more you explain yourself, you look like a personal website, right? And then I'll hit update. But then as soon as you start, so the reason I'm showing you this all is for you to start and improve, and then you add 6 or more pieces, right? So you at least make it a little bit better. You add your bio, you talk about yourself. You click those, it takes you 2 seconds, guys. Then you get to the complete. When you're at 100% complete, you have your profile image in here. People take you seriously and they'll start hiring you for jobs. So start thinking creatively, think outside the box. You can use that free PLR content resource to build up a profile for jobs. Or what you can do is you can also use this website I found called Quillbot. Now, Quillbot will paraphrase words for you. It will paraphrase sentences, it will paraphrase whatever. The minimum is 500 words. Well, it's the maximum if you're free. If you're a free user, I've signed up, so now I have access to over 700. And what that does is it paraphrases sentences or anything like that and rewrites it, pretty much making copyrighted text, uncopyrighted. So it pretty much becomes your own. So what I like to do sometimes is I might go on PLR, I might go and do some text from PLR and put it onto Quillbot, and that can just rephrase it. You can edit it, make it sound a little bit neater, maybe, whatever it is. So whatever you're signed up for. So to build up a profile on here and get hired for jobs, you can write down your own material. It's absolutely up to you. Now, this is a big trading time for money position. You're not going to earn this kind of money in the first day or the first week or the first month. It's going to take time. So if you want to fast track, right, if you want to learn how I make money from this website on YouTube currently at $1,000 a week, it must be time training. I'm doing about 3 to 5 hours a week at a stay-home I'm a stay-home kind of guy, so I don't know about you, but that's almost $50,000 a year, working 3 to 5 hours a week. So if you want to learn how to do that, guys, and then how I make money, click on the link below to get started. There's a free webinar that all you go do is just take your time, watch it, see how it goes. But thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I wish you all the best and see ya.